dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my evening routine as a mom. If you are new here, my name is Madeline and I have a 2-year-old toddler. He's going to be 3 very soon, next month. And I'm going to take you through our routine, his typical bedtime routine, kind of how we do things for his bedtime, and also the cleaning tasks and dinner time and everything that I do at the end of the day. Before we get into the rest of the evening routine, I'm going to share with you a few products that we have incorporated into our evening routine, and thank you so much to Burt's Bees for working with me on this video. So I have been sent a few products from the mama and baby range, so I'm going to share with you today those. I have tried Burt's Bees in the past and I've always loved them because they are all natural products, so you know they're good for your skin and for your baby's skin. They are also responsibly sourced, they're cruelty free, so it's really amazing because they're trying to be a bit more environmentally friendly. Obviously we're all trying to do our part and just be a bit more mindful about things like that. So really love the brand and I really love these products as well. Also, Burt's Bees now have a website. They have recently launched it. It's just burtsbees.co.uk, which is amazing because they have great deals on their website, which I don't think you can find anywhere else. And they always have just like the new launches straight on their website. I also like that all the products are dermatologically tested, and they're, you know, it's really nice to know that products are safe for your baby's skin because they're obviously very sensitive. I feel like even toddlers, like even my toddler, sometimes he can get a bit like a bit of an eczema or a rash or something, and I really like to have sensitive skin products to use on him. So these are really amazing for that. So the first thing that I got is the shampoo and wash. Obviously you can use this on their hair and on their body, so it's really great because you just use one product for their whole bath routine. So I really love that. And then I also got the nourishing baby oil from the babies collection as well, and this one is quite interesting because you can also like you can do baby massage if you have a young baby. Obviously my toddler is not gonna sit around for me to massage him, but what is really cool is you can use this in their bath. So you just put a few drops in their bathtub and it will actually absorb into their skin without having to sit them down and rub it on. So if your child has a bit of a dry skin, this will really help without them even noticing because you just put it in the bath. So really great product. And then they have this diaper ointment, really sensitive, really great for their skin as well. And all of the products are no parabens, no phthalates, no SLS, so just really great natural products for them. And then from the Mama's range, I was really excited to be included in this. So I got the Burt's Bees lip balm. I think I have tried this in the past. I can't remember exactly, but I really love it. It's really great. It's the it's got a honey scent and it's really nice and moisturizing, obviously, and it actually lasts on your skin, like on your lips, quite a while. Some lip balms I feel like you apply them and they already feel like they've disappeared, but this one is really amazing. It kind of lasts and it really does the job, so I really love it, and it smells like honey. It's so nice. And I've tried this a few times after my shower and it's really amazing. It's the Mama Bee Nourishing Body Oil. Really cool product, so you just apply it after your shower. I really like it because it's not sticky at all. I don't like sticky products on my skin after my shower, and it smells really nice. I was actually kind of surprised by the smell of this because it felt it's like honey but a bit citrusy. And I looked on the ingredients and it has sweet almond oil, lemon oil, and vitamin E. And the lemon, I think the lemon oil makes it smell a bit citrusy, obviously. But yes, smells really lovely, leaves your skin feeling very soft, so I am a huge fan of this one. Yeah, so I will link their website down below if you guys are interested. And let's carry on with the evening routine. As you can see, the boys were playing outside in the garden, and it has been so nice to have a garden. Victor really enjoys playing with his diggers and stones here. It's one of his favorite activities. So my husband's playing with him outside, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on dinner. Tonight for dinner we were having sausages, mashed potatoes, and some peas on the side. Victor really loves sausages. He's not too keen on the mash, but sometimes he will try it, so that's what I'm making for dinner tonight. It's quite a simple dinner, but we really enjoy it. And one thing that I try to do while I'm cooking dinner is tidy up along as I cook. So once I've finished with the cutting board and knife, I will put it in the washing machine. So just kind of doing tasks like that while I'm cooking just makes the cleanup process at the end much easier.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? Put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just...
I'm filming this on a Sunday, so my husband was actually able to help a lot more, which was nice, and he was actually putting away laundry this evening. He's quite a hands-on husband, and I'm really grateful for that, so he helps out a lot throughout the home.
Here together.
I'm also going to water my plant here that I have in the living room. I am trying my best to keep this plant alive. We've had it for, I think, nearly 2 months, or maybe a bit over a month, and it's still going strong, so I'm giving it my best, trying not to forget to water it.
Forever, I watch you as you sleep.
And dinner is done by that time, so we're going to sit down at the table and have dinner together as a family.
Do you know how much I love you?
And after dinner, Victor usually has a cup of milk. He still likes to have his milk in the evenings. He really enjoys having that, and sometimes in the mornings as well.
I can't help but feeling just loving.
After we are finished with the dinner, I'm going to start tidying up in the kitchen. I try to do as much as I can before we go upstairs for bedtime, for Victor's bedtime. So I'm going to put the food, the leftover food, in this container and keep it in the fridge until the next day. We like to have leftovers the next day for lunch usually.
Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Then I'm going to clear the dining table, give it a good spray with my Method surface spray. This is in wild rhubarb. If you guys have watched my videos, you know I really love this scent. So I'm going to give it a spray, make it nice and clean.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
I am going to start by clearing the countertops. I'm going to load up the dishwasher, put all the dishes away, and I'm also going to hand wash a few dishes as well.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
And then again, I'm using my Method spray to spray all the surfaces in here as well. It's nice to wake up to a clean kitchen in the morning. There's no better feeling. So I try my best to stay on top of it at the end of the day, because it really helps me feel much better in the morning when we wake up.
I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
As I said, I was filming this on a Sunday, and as you can tell, the living room was an absolute disaster because when we spend a lot of time at home, that's usually what happens. So there were plenty of toys on the floor, so we are going to do some tidying up, and I try to involve my toddler in doing this at the end of the day. Sometimes he does more, sometimes he does less, depending on how tired he is, but tonight he was actually quite good at it. He tidied up pretty much all of his car toys, so that was really good and really helpful for me as well. Okay, Google, play the Tidy Up song.
Alright, Time to Tidy Up by Dave Moran. Playing on Spotify.
And we always play the Tidy Up song on Google Home, and I think they played this song at preschool as well, so he kind of knows it's tidy up time and he gets much more involved if he hears the song. Also, let me know where you guys are watching from today. I would really love to know in the comments below. As you may or may not know, we are in the UK. We used to live in London, but we have moved a bit further outside of London recently. So yeah, let me know where you guys are watching from. I would really love to know in the comments below.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to.
How much better does that living room look? So now we are ready to go upstairs and get ready for bed. The first step of the bedtime routine for Victor is usually a bath. I'm going to use the Burt's Bees products in his bath tonight. I actually use the shampoo and wash in the bathtub because it makes a bit of bubbles as well. And I'm also going to put the baby oil in the bathtub as well, just because it helps keep his skin nice and moisturized. We usually brush his teeth after bath time, but he was very keen on brushing his teeth today. He's gotten really good at it, so we did that while we were waiting for the bathtub to fill up, and he's quite good at it. We had the hardest time for a long time to get him to let us brush his teeth. We would try games and everything, and he would barely let us get in there a bit, but now he's so good at it, and he will just stay there for you to brush his teeth properly, which is really nice. So if you are struggling with that with your toddler, just carry on because it will get easier once they get older. At least that's what I have found. After bath time, it's story time, so he will pick a few books and we will read for a bit together in his bedroom.
Dad,
It's a bear.
what color is it?
What color is it?
It's brown.
Brown.
And what is this?
A bear.
And what is this?
Oh, what animal is that?
It's a monkey. What animal is this?
A seal. And after he's in bed, I'm going to head in the shower, do my skincare and everything like that before I head downstairs to chill on the sofa, because once I go downstairs I get really lazy. So I find that if I do this before I go downstairs to chill and watch some Netflix, I am much more likely to do my whole skincare routine and be more thorough with it. I've also been using this Mama Bee body oil after my shower, and it's really lovely. So I'm going to quickly take off my makeup, do my skincare routine, and then head downstairs for some Netflix.
To be yours, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah,
That's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our evening routine. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would really love it if you would subscribe if you enjoy cleaning videos or routine videos. I make loads of those. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!